Hi, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to 4-Minute Friday Fun. We're actually in the middle of our third e-learning day
ever. And we had
ever.
3 in a row.
And 3 in a row. That's really, really hard. But we're here to share a great new tool that could really help engagement in your classroom and action and expression, because kids can make this as well if they're 13 and older.
Yes.
So what is it?
It is Powtoons.
What is Powtoons? Tell us about it.
Powtoon, you make videos and presentations and all kinds of stuff with like cartoon characters or infographics.
Like even like the sketch ones?
Yeah.
Ooh, those are my favorite.
Yeah.
So is it free?
It's for free.
Most of it?
Google single sign-on.
Yeah, so I'm going to log into my account and do Google single sign-on since we have that capability.
Yeah, we do.
Hopefully it works now. There it goes. So there are lots of helpful guides. This is something that does take a little bit of time, but they do have some that are already made and templates. But you can really dive deep into this and have very dynamic videos, but we don't have time in 4 minutes to show you that.
Not in 4 minutes.
So this nice guy down here says that we need to write a script, record voiceover, and add visuals as you can. So we're going to start one, a blank Powtoons, just to show you what that looks like. So it'll take here a minute, but you get to pick all of your stuff.
Oh, so Modern Edge, whiteboard.
And those are the ones I like.
Cartoon, I like cartoon.
Yeah.
Infographics, very useful, or real.
And once you pick those, it does just kind of throw you in with a blank template.
Yep.
And you can build off of text, characters, prop shapes, all you can read that.
Yeah.
And then your sound and audio is on the bottom. So it is a pretty dynamic platform. Let's say this is just way overwhelming, which it can be.
It is. Yeah.
Then what we can do also here is you can go to templates and customize a popular template. So this is a much less kind of scary way.
Oh, nice.
And your categories teacher, and then there are just basic templates on how
things here and there.
You can change the text and the storyboard.
That's
you like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's preview it. So look at that. You can make something like that.
Typing skill.
don't know if that's great form.
Don't
technique.
Teach your children to type like that. No.
But that's good. So then that's the preview. And then you can use it, and it uploads all of the characters and music and text.
Yeah.
And it still puts you in that same editing box so that you can then edit what's there.
Yes.
And there's some nice kind of a reminder that not everything is free.
Yeah.
There are some premium versions, but it does take you through all of the pre-made slides, and then you can just put your information in there.
Nice.
So you can, again, you can have students make it, or you can make one yourself and just kind of have a very dynamic way to present something, information that you're looking for.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, that is Powtoons. You can also search their library, because it said at the beginning that there's over 40 million or something like that made. So be sure to use your resources as well. Yeah. All right.
You have anything else?
Nope. Have a good weekend.
Have a happy Friday.